Welcome to this Nedbank Financial Market educational series proudly brought to you by our online share trading division. In this educational series, we will discuss various topics related to financial markets. Learning about trading and investing is essential for every client, as this will equip you to make more informed personal trading and investing decisions. In this session, we will discuss watch lists, why they are important, how to set them up, and we'll touch on the detailed company information they contain. Please note that this session is on both a beginner and an intermediate level. Before we start, please refer to our disclaimer. In summary, you cannot regard this session as any trading or investment advice, as it is provided for educational purposes only. Let us commence the session. So what is a watch list and what are the benefits of using one? A watch list is an important part of any trader's toolkit. It allows you to group together the instruments you are interested in. Keeping these in a single, easy-to-find place makes tracking these instruments easier and ensures you're able to react timeously to market movements and make informed trading decisions. With so much happening in the markets every day, it's not always possible to follow the details of everything that's going on. Creating a watch list can help you in the following ways. It simplifies trading. With a watch list, you're able to stay focused on the instruments you are interested in rather than tracking everything. It allows you to identify opportunities by keeping you up to date with what is happening in the market. It's easy to use and it filters out noise, allowing you to see information that is relevant to you and removing information you are not interested in. To create a watch list, log into your account at onlinesharetrading.nedbank.co.za and click on the Watch Lists horizontal navigation tab. On this screen, you can either create a new watch list or refresh and manage existing lists. To create a new watch list, click on the New Watch List link. Name your watch list and press Next. To add shares to your watch list, you can filter by sector, market or research, or you can type in the share code or company name in the fields on the left-hand side of the window. Once you have selected a share, it will be listed on the right-hand side of the window. If you no longer want to follow that share, you can click on the Remove link. It's as easy as that to add and remove shares from your watch list. Once you have finished making changes to your watch list, click on the Save Changes button. You can add up to 10 watch lists to your trading account, and each watch list can have up to 200 instruments in it. If you have more than one watch list, the names of your watch lists will be displayed horizontally at the top of the screen. This allows you to easily toggle between your various lists. You can select the watch list you want to view by clicking on its name. Selecting a watch list brings up the latest news for stocks within the watch list at the top of the screen. Once in a watch list, click on the column chooser to manage and sort the data you would like to see. You can also scroll through the data using the left and right arrows or simply drag or pull the main column headings. Selecting the three dots at the end of the column brings up a trade, move or delete on the specific stock. The watch list automatically compiles information on the shares you are watching. From the list of shares in your watch list, you can see whether we've published any research notes on a share. If you click on a specific share within your watch list, it will launch a detailed company information page. You will land on an overview screen, which shows you the latest trade data, a price chart, peer comparison, the last 20 trades, and a consensus view on that specific share. The price chart is dynamic, and you are able to change the period displayed by clicking on the time periods at the bottom right-hand corner of the chart. These range from 1 day to 10 years. Please note that the prices displayed on this page are not live, as there's a 15-minute delay on the price feeds on the site. You are also able to trade directly from the screen. The detailed company information has a number of tabs, and we will explore these in more detail. On the Summary tab, you will find a snapshot of the most frequently used basic data. This includes a price chart, the latest market data, the latest sends, a 10-day trading range, the latest company results, a short description of the nature of the business, a peer comparison, institutional support and consensus view, as well as a visual calendar for the share. You will need to scroll down on the screen to see all of this information. The Price tab provides additional pricing information on the share, including the latest intraday data, peer comparison, a price change picture, and additional pricing stats. As previously mentioned, the prices reflected on the site are not live, as there's a 15-minute delay on the price feeds to the site. The Charts tab gives you access to some of the technical charts which many technical traders use to analyze shares before deciding to trade. We will cover how to understand these charts and use these tools in one of our more advanced video sessions. In the meantime, you can use the trade ideas and fundamental research available to you on our Research tab. On the News tab, you will find all the SENS announcements and news items for the share. These are listed from most recent to oldest and can go back further than 20 years. To assist you in finding the information you are looking for, you can both filter and search on these pages. Clicking on Fact Sheet brings up basic company data and a description of the nature of the business. If you scroll down on the fact sheet, you will find a visual calendar, details of the company directors, and a great view of the major shareholders in the business. Here you will also find various subsidiary details, capital structure, legal information, and the contribution to revenue from the company's various activities. Clicking on the Results tab will bring up the company's published results. You can easily filter the periods in the drop-down list and use the tick selectors to choose which financial results you would like to see. Then click on the Excel icon on the right-hand side of the page to export the information to Excel. This allows you to easily sort and analyze the data and compare information to past periods. If you're looking for analyst forecasts on various metrics, select the Forecast tab. Here you will see historical data and analyst consensus view of buy, hold, sell at the top of the screen. By scrolling down on the screen, you'll find various ratios, forecasts, and historical comparisons covering dividends, growth, earnings, and yields. The Performance tab provides information on the company's performance covering returns, price, and dividends historical data. While the Valuations tab provides information on various valuation ratios and stats, as well as a risk-return profile. Clicking on the Research tab will bring up the latest research from our investment research team. This includes long-term fundamental research and short-term trading ideas. By clicking on the Download PDF link, you will see the full research note. Below the research title is the date it was published. Please note, short-term trading ideas are time-sensitive and need to be executed within the time frame stipulated in the note in order to gain the benefits from the trading idea. A watch list is an essential trading tool that can help you simplify your trading research and decisions. It condenses what is going on in the market into a small, easy-to-read dashboard. It is also an excellent tool for identifying new trends and minimizing risk. Using a watch list will help you make more informed personal trading and investing decisions. We have reached the end of this session. The last video in this Getting Started series is how to trade. This educational video was brought to you by Nedbank Online Share Trading. Any examples used in this session are purely for illustrative purposes. Thank you for your time.